Today I'm giving you 5 reasons why Perpetual Protocol will 200x, and I know it sounds crazy, but I'll back up my words with data and show you the proof that this is actually possible for Perpetual Protocol. So if you want to know exactly why and when PERP will reach $250, make sure to stick to the end, like and subscribe for more content like this one, and let's get started. A 200x increase in the price of the PERP token would take its capitalization to almost $20 billion, which is the market cap all-time high of Uniswap. But why do I believe that PERP will reach such a valuation? Because Perpetual Protocol is a decentralized exchange just like Uniswap, but it introduces some disruptive features such as decentralized perpetual contracts. In addition, Uniswap will most likely reach a new market cap all-time high, way higher than $20 billion. So if PERP reached $20 billion market cap, it wouldn't be such a big deal. As always, remember that this is just my personal opinion and nothing on this video is financial advice. That being said, the first reason why Perpetual Protocol will 200x is its virtual automated market maker design, which allows for more efficient capital utilization than a traditional AMM model such as the one used by Uniswap and DYDX. Traditional AMMs operate on a fixed algorithmic formula, most commonly the constant product market maker model. The constant product model ensures that the product of the quantities of two tokens in a liquidity pool remains constant. This dictates the price at which assets are traded based on demand and supply within the pool. Perpetual Protocol instead introduces the concept of a virtual automated market maker. In this design, the AMM is not directly tied to an on-chain liquidity pool. Instead, it is maintained off-chain and relies on oracles to settle on-chain. This virtual design allows for more flexibility in managing liquidity and handling large trades efficiently. It can reduce slippage and optimize capital utilization compared to traditional AMMs. In addition, the virtual automated market maker model used by Perpetual Protocol allows users to trade perpetual contracts and use leverage in a completely decentralized manner, which is something that traditional AMMs find difficult to implement. The second reason why Perpetual Protocol will 200x is the fact that the online trading market has been growing steadily in the last years and is expected to keep growing at a very high pace. As you can see in this chart, the online trading market size was only $8 billion in 2020, it reached $10 billion in 2022, and is expected to reach $13 billion in 2026. Needless to say, for any decentralized exchange to be competitive among centralized platforms in the online trading market, it has to allow users to trade with leverage, as this is a very popular feature among traders around the world. And again, the virtual automated market maker model used by Perpetual Protocol allows to do so without friction, unlike the traditional AMM model used by Uniswap. The third reason why Perpetual Protocol will 200x is that DeFi will outgrow centralized finance in this bull run, and this is not just my prediction, but the words of CZ, who recently stated that this bull run could make DeFi bigger than centralized finance, as the DeFi volume is currently somewhere between 5 to 10% of centralized finance volumes, which is not small at all. In addition, on June 9, 2023, Cointelegraph reported that following legal actions by the SEC against centralized exchanges Coinbase and Binance, the median trading volume on the top 3 decentralized exchanges surged by 444% in 48 hours. Last but not least, according to a report from CoinGecko, digital asset investment firms invested $2.7 billion in DeFi projects in 2022, a 190% increase from 2021, while investments in centralized finance projects dropped by 73% to $4.3 billion during the same year. The reason number 4 why Perpetual Protocol will 200x is that its technology allows for high scalability, low gas cost, and thus for mass adoption. Perpetual Protocol is in fact built on the Optimism network, one of the leading Ethereum's layer 2 protocol out there, which aims at allowing Ethereum dApps to scale to millions of users. Other projects like Uniswap, which were originally built on Ethereum, also had to deploy on Optimism to reduce gas costs, so Perpetual Protocol's decision to deploy on Optimism was very far-sighted, and the fact that other major DEXs like Uniswap are deploying a version of the protocol on Optimism confirms the right direction of the Perpetual Protocol project. The number 5 reason why Perpetual Protocol will 200x is the team. Perpetual Protocol was co-founded by Yan Wenfeng and Xiaokang Li. Yan Wenfeng is a serial entrepreneur who previously co-founded gaming and crypto companies like Decor and Gamelet, and who raised capital from some of the most important investors in the crypto space such as Pantera, Multicoin, Binance, Free Arrows, and Divergence. Xiaokang Li instead already has an exit on his resume, as he previously co-founded Pop-Up, an app that transforms sketches into click-through prototypes and that has been acquired by Marvel. So it is clear that the team has great experience, is truly involved in the crypto and DeFi space, and is very well connected with the startup ecosystem and VC network in Silicon Valley, which of course represent important variables for the success of a project. As I promised you, I will now tell you exactly when PERP will 200x and thus reach $250. During the previous cycles, Bitcoin reached its all-time high in 546 days after the halving and 2 months later than PERP, so if history repeats itself, Bitcoin should reach its new all-time high in 546 days after the next Bitcoin halving, so in October 2025, while PERP in August 2025. Okay, so now you know why and when PERP will 200x, and if you want to know 3 more projects with at least 100x potential, you should watch my previous video which you can find right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.